What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we have the types of coughs and chokes. So, because I feel like they go fairly well together, so I decided to do that. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, leave a like on the video and comment on your favorite part of the video. And the types of sneezes video did really well. You guys seem to really enjoying it. If you guys haven't, follow me on my Instagram right there. And let's just get started with the video right now because my intro on my last video is too long. Let's fix that right now. The standard cough. The kitty cat cough. The cough with a beat. When you don't cough. Just like in types of sneezes, the atomic bomb. When you walk outside and it smells really bad. When you're drinking water and you cough. When you eat something you don't like and then you cough. When you eat something thin and sharp and you cough or choke on it. When you don't actually have a cough, but you just like eating the cough drops. All right, guys, so I don't actually have a cough. I just love eating cough drops. They are like fancy Jolly Ranchers. Yummy. So good. Oh, another one, yeah. Yummy. The weird cough. We don't actually have a cough, but you cough to fake home being sick. All right, kid. Time to get up. All right, come on. Let's get up for school.
Oh, sorry, Mom. I don't think I can. I have a bit of a cough.
The deathbed cough.
I'm sorry. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I had a long life, and now I'm going to die.
The fart cough. When coughing prevents you from talking. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. Enjoy. White people. When a bug flies into your mouth and you cough. The smoking cough. Yo, you guys want to smoke a cigarette? It's very good for you. Yeah. Like this type of sneeze is the absolute most for no reason. Trying to get someone's attention cough. The laugh cough. Yeah. When you cough and you have a heart attack. The very, very deep cough. The bouncing cough. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a like on that video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I had a lot of fun making this video. I just like the types of sneezes, had a lot of fun. It wasn't really that hard to make, and I feel like it's one of my funnier videos. And I love making you guys laugh. And I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I actually might post another video today, so maybe I'll see you later today.